Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to go to Google Drive and how to upload the file, as well as how to share it. And then I will show you how to post the link to your teacher in Google Class. Right now, I'm going to open Google. With my account, I'll just click on the dots and then I will select Google Drive. So I already have a file. It is named with tutorial. I can upload a file inside it, but I will decide to upload it in the general. So I will upload the file like this, right click and select upload file. Then I will select the project that I have already saved in my computer storage. Then after selecting the file, I will click on upload or open. It is depending on operating system you're working with. After finish uploading, I will go to the project that I already uploaded and right click on it. Then I will select get link. Here I can put some restrictions. I will click on it and I will select anyone have this link will able to see my project. I will copy that link. After copying that link, I will go to the Google Class. After Google Classroom load, I will select my class, and then I will see my teacher's post. I will click on it. Here I will find that I have a Google document and turn in button. So I will select first a Google document and I will wait for load. Then I will paste that copied link of my project and I will wait for a second to make sure that the document has been already saved. Then I will close the document tab and I will click on Turn In button. Good luck!